What does it actually mean to keep a home warm? Because for many tenants across Wales, it doesn't mean turning the heating on. In our latest Tenant Pulse report, only 23% tenants say heating is affordable. Tenants are coping, tenants are adapting. This means layering up. This means using hot water bottles. This means heating only one room. And this isn't comfort. At the same time, awareness is low. Only about a quarter of tenants know their home's EPC rating. Smart meter? Most of them have it, but trust and understanding is limited. And tariffs, more than half of the tenants haven't switched their tariffs in the last 2 years. Social housing tenants also reported less awareness of landlord communication on energy home improvements and home assessments. And in the private rented sector, energy efficiency isn't really a deciding factor because there simply isn't enough choice. As one tenant said, people would rather have a cold roof over their heads than no roof. But once tenants are in a home, the picture changes. 79% tenants said they're more likely to stay in an energy efficient home. This isn't just about behavior, it's about communication, it's about housing quality. And this report brings together tenant voices into that conversation. If you work in housing, energy, or policy, take a few minutes and please read the report.